6 photos to say goodbye to August Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you from where you can get this viral sticker right here and how you can do it. So keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get to this profile, you will have to go to August, add yours, add highlights. If you go to my story, then you have to know that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. But I added it in the August, add yours, add highlights, so you can find it there at any time. Now you just have to tap until you find your desired sticker. It's at the end. There it is. Now click on the add yours button. And now we will have to go to our uploads and choose our first photo. So to do that, you will have to click on the icon from the left bottom corner. First I will go with this one. Now you can place it where you want by using your two fingers like you would zoom in and zoom out. And then to add another photo, you will have to click here, add stickers from the top of the screen. Scroll down and click on this. Click on this plus icon and it will get you once again on your gallery. And you can choose your second photo, place it where you want, your third photo, and so on. And once you're happy with your story, you can share it with your friends. So guys, if this video was helpful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and you can comment in the comment section down below what specific problems you have, and I can help you with those as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.